Welcome back to Cody's videos. Today we are opening Pokemon. Okay, so where is it? Where did you get that?
It's a mystery box.
Where did you get that?
So what does it say?
So it's look for a random.
Look for
3
a
booster packs,
randomly.
1 online card, chance attack.
You have a chance to get a vintage pack in there,
also
so open it up.
They also took off the wrapping. Oh, that's nice. Nice of them.
Let's see if there's one in there. That'd be cool. Is there a vintage pack in there? Let's see.
Oh.
Alright, so, there's a Sun and Moon. Is that I think, wait, Sun and Moon is a vintage pack, I think. Yeah, it is.
Yeah, I don't care about the
Whoa,
box.
let's check this out. Yeah. Sun and Moon, I believe, is a vintage pack. You want to start with that?
I'm
Or wait for last?
I'm going to put it in the back. Best for last.
Best for last.
We get a Charizard in this one. Best for first.
Anyways.
Best for middle.
Oh, that's exciting.
Stunfish.
So we got a Stunfish. Smeargle. I don't even know. Litten. Hold on 1 second, Cody. That's Marini. Okay. Reverse Hollow. It's a Star Inserior.
Everyone's favorite time of the day.
Everyone's favorite time of the day. Oh yeah. And what we got here? Dragonair.
The Mr. Beast logo in the top left.
What's that?
Top right, Mr. Beast logo.
Top left.
Top left. Oh
yeah.
Mr. Beast logo.
Alright, let's get into the second pack out of this box.
Maybe it's the best for middle, but I think it's always best for last.
We'll see. Hopefully there is something good in that in the vintage pack.
And the best for last.
Alright, so right now we got hold on, buddy. Gibble. Gibble. You're not even putting them in my hands, right? Turtwig. Piplup. Like this, Cody. Put them in mine like this.
Fresh water set.
Fresh or reverse hollow fresh water set. Okay.
Very nice.
And what is this guy? He's a star, but Escavalier. Alright. What else?
Our favorite time of the day.
Energy.
Yeah, doesn't everyone love it?
And this one is a
Choice belt.
Choice belt. Yeah. And
so I think this might actually be a best for last.
Yep.
Okay, so we get onto this pack.
So this is the Sun and Moon Pokemon. I think this is the vintage one. Let's hope we get something good. Let's hope.
Yeah, it said best for last. There must be.
Let's see what dates on these. This is a 2017. Okay.
2017.
Yep, and this is a 2017.
Oh, 2017. You might get a Charizard or something.
Makurta. Chinchou. Nothing good yet.
Wow, this was 100% best for last.
What is it?
Best for last.
Oh, reverse hollow what? Pelipper.
Reverse.
That's all that was in it? Oh, I was going to say.
Reverse hollow?
It's reverse hollow.
No,
yep.
that's hollow.
It is. Look, it's reverse hollow. That's this side.
Well, I think it's still best for last.
And that's a star, but not. Alright.
Yeah, so another favorite time.
He's going to show us the hand. And what else?
Hold on. Passing.
And that was out of the Sun and Moon. I don't know how vintage that is. I mean, 2017.
I don't think that's.
But hey, we got more to come.
Okay, so now we're on to.
What are we gonna get now?
I don't know. My God.
The Pokemon have the Pokemon.
Pokemon.
Let's grab them. Let's go.
So this is what we have.
They're all Silver Tempest.
Yep.
All right, let's get to the first one.
This one.
Binary? Drowsy. Can you say their names? I can barely even say them half the time. Ralts.
Your turn.
My turn. Krogunt.
Your turn again.
Krogunk. That's a reverse hollow Dracloak.
Lugia V.
What? Oh, whoa. Lugia V, nice, buddy. Look at that guy, Lugia V.
No, it's not Lugia. It's a Lugia.
I said Lugia.
It's
Maybe
Lugia.
I didn't.
It's Yu-Gi-Oh.
Anyways, the numbers on it is 185-195. Nice.
Energy.
And oh yeah, look at that energy. Isn't that great?
Untended find fossil.
Unidentified fossil.
Unidentified flying object.
Well, they identified it because it was a fossil, right?
Okay, so I don't care what.
Lugia V, is that any good?
No, it's not Lugia, it's Yu-Gi-Oh.
Oh, right. Alright, ready? Indeedy. Come on, boy. You know how to put them in my hand? Sunkern. Clink. Oh, wait a minute. That's a Radiant Jirachi. We have him already, but that's a 120-195.
Wait, why do we keep
Beautiful.
Wait, do we?
That ain't too bad.
That?
We have a couple of them. We keep getting the green one.
Yeah, it's the easiest one out of them all.
Yeah, but that's cool. We got a Radiant. Oh, we already have him, though.
Everything better. Energy.
I want to know if there's a Radiant
And
Raichu.
a Resident Energy. And another. And that.
What's this?
Imagine we got a pack with just energy.
Serena. That'd gonna suck.
Look funny.
Alright, let's get to the next one.
Pop this, pop this, pop this, pop this, pop this, open up, grab this, and bing, bing.
That is a Murkrow. Swablu. Rotom. A Bunnery. Dreepy. Wait, reverse hollow Terracoin. He's a star.
Okay, you keep saying that. Why do you always say that?
Because I'm trying to... Cody, you have to let them know in case they can't see.
You don't have to say reverse hollow.
It's a star. So is there any other... How many more?
Everybody knows.
We already got the reverse hollow and we got a star, so I doubt there's anything in this pack. And, alright, let's get to the next one. Alright. Petaloo. Clink. Sunkern. If there
even is a good one, I'm just going to read it.
Indeedy. Reverse hollow Brandon.
I think
we
might have... I don't know if this is good or not, but we got Jaw Bog Golden.
What? What is this? Oh, we don't have him.
What do you mean?
Gapejaw Bog. That's a golden. What do you mean? What do I mean? We don't have him.
We do.
No, we don't have him. This is now we have him.
Not on camera.
Okay. That is 213-195. 213-195. Secret Rare Golden. Beautiful. That's a good one. Let me set him up here. Look at how cool that thing looks. That's a good one. Alright.
The best one out of them all.
Oh, yeah. These are his favorites. And a Lance. On to the next one. So far we got Gape Jaw Bog Golden Secret Rare. And we have the Lugia V. 3 years later.
It took me like about 2 seconds for even to that. 2 seconds and 2 years are the exact same thing to him.
That is a Halucha.
A Vulpix. A Drowsy.
That's a reverse hollow Drowsy.
Slurpuff.
Slurpuff.
Energy. Leaf Camo.
Leaf Cannel Poncho. Lance. We keep getting these Lance guys.
And a V.
And Ursaluna V. That is number 102-195.
I put down the last one so I can open this way faster and it doesn't take 3 years later.
Zubat. Fungus.
I guess there's still energy in this one. I do got that.
Oh, look at that.
Okay.
Hypno.
And get it.
And we got, what's this guy? Claydol.
Ninetales.
Ninetales. Everybody likes the Ninetales.
Especially when there's a snake and we got 2.
Oh, what? Oh, we just got the Ursaluna V, but oh, look at that. We got Malamar. Yeah, we have them both, but that's cool. Not bad. Not bad.
I always find some way to make them not say 2 years later. Yeah, one was
Vulpix. Growthy. Misdrevious.
I didn't want to go in, apparently.
Wilmer.
Pretty nice, isn't it?
And what you got?
Wiener.
Oh, I thought you had something good. Serena.
Drowsy. Guess that's a good card since there's still not another one.
No good. And energy.
Like this.
This guy, he is a diamond. Oh, wait. He's a diamond.
Gym trainer.
Gym trainer.
And we got these two.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. What do you got? Okay, we got a okay, so we got a Flaffy TGO3-TG30.
I found the final pack.
Hold on. Let show them these cards here. And we got a holographic Archeops. 147, 195. Splenda, Febass, Noibat, Snorunt, Reverse Hollow Clang, Delphox, Energy, Deedeen. Oh, hold on. Braxian, okay, we already know. No. You were gonna save the asshole in the video, so he's taking all the cardboard off.
Yep.
What do you feel is coming?
I don't know.
You don't know? Why? Don't be down in the dumps. We'll get another Charizard. We already got a bunch of Charizard.
That's what I think.
Alright, come on. Well, hey, anytime, buddy. Alright. Let's see what you got. Durant. Emolga. Oh, it's a reverse hollow.
I knew it. It was
It's
sleep
reverse hollow.
coming. See? They got a mask on. They're sleeping.
Yeah. Sure is. Looks like it.
Go with that energy.
Gooba, it's regenerative. Right here. Oh, and he's opening it.
So let's see what's on this guy.
What's that?
Let's see what's on the upside down pack.
Yeah.
The packs will be upside down.
We had like 3 Charizards he opened in one day, and ever since then, he hasn't really got many.
I don't even know.
That is a... Wait.
I don't even know what we're getting. Everything's just upside down.
It's not upside down.
Really.
Fletching. Reverse hollow.
I see a crocodile, so it must be a crocodile.
Crocodile on. That is a hollow crocodile. Crocodile. Braxian.
I don't know who you're getting.
Maybe.
It's upside down.
Go back.
I see a fat pig laying in bed.
What'd you call me?
You're not even in the bed.
Oh. Well, let me show him. That's a fat little pig. Mr. Pig. Yeah, he's knocked out.
What did you say about my pig?
Oh my god. Boy, round 3 here. No, 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 no.
We're back onto the upside down pack.
Yeah, just totally had to yeah.
Totally.
I beat him up. Teach him a lesson. Oh, there's a Peekapoo.
What?
Peekapoo. Pikachu. Or else. Venom. Wait, whoa. Trainer. Oh, that's a Dimon. Who's this guy? Oh, Woo. Oh, look at that. Ho V.
Even if it's upside down like this, it's the exact same thing. Okay, you can take this one. No, this one doesn't want to be seen. Either way, it's going to be seen.
Okay, that is a... Alright, hold on. Here, let me show you. That guy and that guy.
I'm not going to go upside down anymore, man. You guys already know how to do it. We have my foot like this, and we got my foot like that, and then we got my foot like this. We got another Peekapoo.
Peekapoo.
Okay, do you call my pig fat again?
These are all the originals.
Okay, do you just call my pig fat again?
No.
Okay.
Reverse hollow clang. Okay, cool, whatever.
Good. I heard my pig is fat.
Well, what do you think pigs are, Cody?
Cute.
Yes, they are. What you got?
And there's a doofus standing.
Where is the heck? Lance. I don't like the packs with the lances in them, I'll tell you that.
Charizard in it.
Yeah, the next one. Lance, Charizard.
Lance. You'd be like, I take it back.
Last chance with Lance Vance.
Get the Charizard. You like it not? It's a baby crocodile.
Well, I had to throw them. Okay, maybe.
It's just a baby crocodile.
That's Sandile.
It's a crocodile.
Looks like he likes sandbox. Fanikin. Murkrow. Oh, he's just having a seizure over here. Reverse hollow Metagrow.
Baby crocodile.
Alright, reverse hollow. Alright, so that's about all that's going to be out of these ones. Probably nothing else. Alright, we heard you. Let's go. Lantern.
It's the baby crocodile.
Baby crocodile. Yep.
It's not
Fletchinger?
crocodile. It's a crocodile.
Oh, a crocodile.
It's called a crocodile.
You have a speech impediment.
It's a crocodile.
His name's Sandile. And you have a fat pig? Get away from me.
Yeah, we make these all into all three, the final three. The final
Oh,
two.
the final 3? Put them all together?
Since 2 has 3 letters. Final 2.
Final 3. Wait, is there... Yeah, let me get the garbage.
Yeah. You take this.
You
don't want that in the middle of the pack.
And put all the cards together. Alright.
Look at the big chunk of the side. So look how big it is. Especially because it got Euro.
Wilmer. Alright. Wilmer. Yeah, set him in my dang hand a little bit better here. Come on, I gotta pick this up. Hey, stop. You're gonna be throwing them all over the floor. Yeah, and then the one you throw on the floor is gonna be the best. Alright, put him in my hand good. Come on, we gotta be professional here.
Baby quack attack.
That's a Litten. Alright, reverse hollow Brandon again. We don't care about that.
It's a booger.
Oh, wait a minute. This is a holographic, never seen him. Reuniclus, or whatever, star number 78195. Alright.
Okay, energy.
Alright, come on, grab the stack. Let's go. Next one is that. Put him in my hand good. Slurpuff. Alright. Ninetales. One at a time here. Rufflet. Halucha.
How did we already get the...
Vulprix.
First we got the
Drowsy.
unfinded fossil. Well, then we got to this little guy up here.
What is he?
So that's what comes after
Show
the
us.
fossil. And then we got the evolve of the fossil.
Oh, yeah?
The one that evolved from the fossil that also just got... Like, see, it just got evolved from the fossil.
Oh, these guys? Yeah, probably. Oh, yeah. Right in the upper left-hand corner. Clang. Come on, put it in my hand.
Now we got...
Clink.
Now we got your...
That's a Wilmer.
Also known as...
Alright, come on. Dratney.
We got...
Fampy. What do we got?
Super dog.
Oh, reverse
Super
hollow.
dog. Tell us whatever a super dog can.
Energy. Bam. Gym trainer and...
The first one that started all the Doofus.
And that one. Alright. So, Meowstick.
So, everything with all the packs is what we got. All the good cards, then we're going to go on to trash cards.
Yeah.
Goldie.
That's a secret rare gold.
That's either the best or the Radiant is.
Bam.
Then we got trash cards.
Yeah, then we got the trash cards over here.
Yeah, nothing good. I'm gonna just peg you with this nail.
So, anyways,
Please, like and subscribe
for more videos.
If you want to see a lot more videos for this, and hit the bell so you're always notified when we make a video. And
thanks for watching.
yeah.